Okay, so I'm gonna film a little narrative tutorial for this witchy set. People wanted to see how I did it, so I guess I'm gonna show you. So I start off with a base coat, cure that, and I'm gonna go in with a matte top coat and cure that. You need to do that anytime you're gonna use inks, which I'm gonna be doing, so make sure you use a matte top coat first so it looks good. And then I'm gonna be using this white ink. I guess the brand is EV. Never heard of it before, but I know it's the best white ink ever. It has like its own website. I don't think that they're on like Amazon or anything, but definitely get this. It's just way better than any other whites that I've tried. And I'm gonna be doing like little cracks in the nail. As you can see, you just smear it around. If you need to use acetone to smear it around, you can, but usually I like to smear it around first plain before doing that. And then I'm gonna go in with this jelly white gel polish. And I'm also gonna use jelly black gel polish. And you just put like blotches of each of them on the nail and you kind of blend it together with just the brush that you're using because it's very easy to blend them together. And then I go in and do one more layer of the black after I cured the first layer, just to darken it a little bit. My black jelly is god awful. And then I'm gonna go in with this opal foil. Makes you making very strange noises. Please stop. And I just put this all over the nail. For some reason, it's only sticking to the black jelly because the white jelly doesn't have a sticky layer on it, but that's fine. Just put that on the nail and it looks pretty. And then I'm gonna go in with another layer of matte top coat, cure that so that we can do some more ink. And I do like 2 or 3 chunks, white chunks, lines of white ink and smear them around with the brush again. If you need to use acetone, you can, but I think it kind of takes away from the look when you do. And then I go in with another layer of black jelly on top of that to darken the black even more. It's really not that dark, but it wasn't dark enough. And then I'm gonna go in with this black nail foil. You can get this on Daily Charm, I think is what the website is. And you're gonna crumble it up in your little fingers like that. And then it makes the foil look like this. And then you can use it on the nail and it looks like little specks of black and it's very nice. And then after that, I'm gonna go in with the opal foil again. And I feel like the opal foil looks fancy when you put it like on top of the black foil. Like, I mean, kind of on top of it. They look pretty together. And then I went in with one more base coat and then builder gel and then matte top coat. And that is all you gotta do. Yeah, thanks for watching.